I gotta say this in English because I couldn't do this without one single person in this room. And he's sitting right there. So. Yeah, be careful.
I'm trippy. What up?
I'll ask you. You remember any of the Norwegian words you learned? Not the dirty ones.
I only know one phrase. It's not a good one. Tusen takk.
What a morning. Let's do this.
Go big buck! Alright, we're gonna use the super zoom function to see this. Oh!
He stomped that.
He stomped it for sure. Oh yeah, dude. To a flat 10, dude. What a G. You ready? Okay, I'm going on the right side of the jump.
Yep.
I'm a wanted man. I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man.
Yeah, dude. That was so dope. That was so freaking dope.
Like, whoop. Like, whoa.
I'm a wanted man.
Oh my god, dude!
Crazy how days are different. Like, you can wake up one day, you're like, whoa!
Yeah.
And everything is just going perfectly fine. And then other days like this when everything is kind of going wrong.
Everything has gone to shit for like 5 runs though.
First of all, we slept in for a while.
Yeah.
But you did.
Yeah,
you
which
say,
is...
You normally say that you hate doing that.
Yeah.
And then I ate shit on a skateboard. And then just keep knuckling.
Then the second run I fully decked, like no knuckle.
Yeah. So I think stay positive but stay safe. All set with the buck, front 12. Nice.
Seb is having a good day.
Hopefully Marcus Skin's got that on video so we can just put it right now.
Look at this.
Oh, dude, it's coming in hard, bro.
Storm is rolling in. It's gonna snow, which is good, but it's gonna snow until we are supposed to leave. So we're kind of just doing a call now that we're gonna bounce right away, so we don't have to just sit here in weather. So you're going to Barcelona to see some of your friends, and I am going to Norway, I think. I booked the wrong ticket yesterday, so I don't have a flight yet. So maybe I'll stay here and meditate for 4 days. I wanted to do this thing on the videos or whatever, just to add information about the place we're at in the description. Maybe like restaurants, how you get lift tickets, buses, trains, where to stay. I don't know, could help you out, could not. Maybe
That's
like,
below.
Yeah,
That's down there.
in the description.
And we'll see you because we don't know where we're going next.
Life is spontaneous. Just go with it.
New adventures, baby!